Hey everyone, welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. I'm Brian. We're going to bring in Karim, and actually, it's the summer doldrums, man. So we're going to actually get off the hot seat today. Before we begin, though, you know the drill. Like, click, subscribe, put your comments in the section below. We will address your comments or your questions in a future episode. We actually got some pretty interesting responses last week, so keep those coming. And on that note, Karim, I know that you're wanting to head out to the beach. You probably have an MTV beach party to get to. So let's make this quick today so you can get on with your summer life.
All right, so yeah, I do have a crib set up, but it's actually in my son's room.
Yeah, that's not what people will think of the word crib, right? It's an actual crib.
The following is an MTV Cribs special presentation.
And just one of the comments last week really made me laugh. It was probably a typo on the part of the subscriber, but it's Bitcoin, not Bittercoin.
Bittercoin. What do you guys want to do with Bittercoin?
You bought a 64,000.
Yeah.
Bitter, but
Yeah,
right now it's
yeah.
Bitcoin. But yeah, Brian's right. It's summer doldrums. This is when traders take off. They go to the beach, extended vacations. Market's really choppy. There's really no direction out there. Sometimes things just don't make sense. Like this week is a perfect example of interest rates just crashing, the market crashing with it, then all of a sudden recovering and then going down, coming back. And you got all the news out of China with their stocks. Then Didi went public and then got slammed right away. Yeah, so it's that weird time of year, but there are bargains to be had. I mean, what are your favorite stocks right now, Brian?
Yeah, so two of the stocks that have been consistent winners recently are AMGN, and Costco. Now, if you remember, about a month, maybe 2 months ago, in a trade of the day email issue, I said that Costco was the most unloved stock on Wall Street, and that was when it was $290 to $300 per share, right? Fast forward to right now, it's over $400 per share. So I recommended Costco free to the email people, $100 below where it is currently. So Costco's been an absolute monster. So if there is one stock to trade in this summer doldrums chop period, Costco's the one.
And Costco could also benefit from a resurgence in COVID in the fall and winter, because people, you think that people change, but you know what? They really don't. Once they get a sniff of this new COVID variant and it starts getting cases in October and November, they're all heading to Costco to stock up on toilet paper, to add to the toilet paper they still have.
Right. Let's not buy one box of cereal. Let's buy 52 boxes of cereal, right? Who knows? That's Costco, right?
It doesn't expire anymore, right? Cereal could last forever now, right?
All right. So I mean, what are you looking at for summer doldrums?
I'm looking at this period as perfect opportunity to sell puts. Okay, because the market is so choppy, traders go away. Volatility actually tends to increase a little bit in the summertime, as we saw the other day, and we can really get good put premium. And so you look for high quality company. We just closed out a winner in Cleveland Cliffs. I love that. I'm going to be selling puts on that all year long if I can. But I'm also looking at the airline sector. The airline sector is getting hammered, and it's going to get hammered some more as COVID pops up again. But we have a cure. We have a vaccine, and people got to take that vaccine so that everybody can go to work. And if you're moaning about, oh, I don't like the vaccine, I hate the vaccine, I'm not going to take the vaccine, and then on the other hand, you're going, well, people need to get back to work because they shouldn't be collecting unemployment, they shouldn't be getting blah 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 blah. But you know what? There's a solution for both. Take the damn vaccine so you can go back to work, so you don't have to collect unemployment. Sorry, nothing political there. It's real. Okay, I'm vaccinated. Hopefully you are. We're out there having a great time. We're traveling, we're doing stuff, and we're not really worried. Why? Because we got a vaccine, which brings us to the vaccine candidates too. You see a pullback in stocks like Pfizer or Moderna, they're buys, because you know what? There's booster shots coming along.
Yeah. I mean, it's a great point. Like while we have this, summer doldrum period, your point of selling puts is awesome. Now, remind people of your put selling track record. Just throwing it out there.
So, all right. So the put selling track record is really, really awesome right now. I didn't plan it this way. I planned it to be really, really good, but not 100%.
Not awesome good. Not awesome
and that's
good.
where we are. Okay, I'm looking for 80% win rate because that's been the historical norm based on the formula that I use, which is a very strict formula. But to achieve 100% rate, that's beyond my expectations. But yeah, we're kicking butt.
Cool. So if you guys want to take part in Karim's put selling strategy during this summer doldrum period, we invite you to explore either Trade of the Day Plus or the War Room with us. And that's it. That's our summer doldrums episode for today. Let's get to the beach. Let's wrap this up. I'm Brian. That's Karim. Cue our exit music. See you later.